going to the dam.
Damn it.
Maybe we can fish here.
Yeah, you can fish there.
We're going fishing here.
You gonna carry the worm?
The worm?
Yeah. Carry the worm.
Huh? Mag-fishing kami dito. Sakto, walang tao. Kami lang. It's good. It's just us. It's just me and you. No one. Yung ka-work, yung katrabaho ko. They catch, nakahuli sila ng salmon. You need to go down there. Huh? Oh yeah, what is that? What is this place?
Power station.
I think the other side is better.
Over there?
In the other side over there. Look, cause it's flowing over there.
How are you gonna get over there?
That's my question too.
Good.
Careful. Tingnan natin kung makakahuli siya dito. Dapat dun sa kabila eh. Kasi medyo ano dito sobrang babaw. Dapat sa kabila kasi gumagalaw yung tubig dun eh. Yun na madaloy siya. Diba dapat dun? Damulag, do you need this? I wanna look over there. Maybe we can fish there too. What's wrong with that? Check natin dito sa kabila. Sa kabilang side. Mukhang mas maganda rito mag-fishing. Ganda rito. Ay, medyo malayo. Hindi ka makababa dito. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda sana kung medyo mababa. dito. Tanungin natin si Damulag, baka gusto niya lumipat dito sa isa. Sa Madaloy. Doon kasi walang daloy. Sabi niya pa, pinasabugan daw ng granada. Yung building na yan. Damulag! You can go down on the other side. I wish we could go on the other side there, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to.
There. You can go down there on the other side.
No, I mean over there.
Yeah, how can we go there? It's nice there. Yeah, and it's so clear over there, the water. You need to throw far. Huh?
Hot, cold.
It's clear here. You can swim. Is this river or what?
Yeah, the Schroon River. Schroon.
Hello guys. Ako dito lang nakaupo. Wala akong license for fishing. So si Damulag lang. Masarap nga manood lang dito. Pahinga mo lang yung agos ng tubig. Tsaka ma-presko. Sana makahuli siya. Yung katrabaho ko nakahuli. Dalawa malaki salmon. Hindi ako makapag-upload ng videos kasi wala kaming kuryente. Ang gamit lang namin ngayon generator. Malakas sa gas kaya pagka pumapasok kami, pinapatay hanggang magdamay. Ha? I'm talking to myself. So pag naibalik yung kuryente, doon pa lang ako makapag-upload ng mahaba-habang video. Kasi mahina yung internet. Sa ngayon mahina yung internet. Pasensya na kayo guys, mamaga pala yung mukha ko. Sobrang laki, nakakaasar tingnan Wala eh. May gamutan tayo na hindi maiwasan, mamalas yung mukha. So yun nga guys, hindi ako makapag-upload ng videos sa ngayon, yung mahaba-haba. Kaya yung ina-upload ko lang yung mga shorts video, kasi kaya pa ng ano ko, ng yung internet. At saka kasi walang time, sa umaga kasi busy, mag-prepare for work, and then pagkaalis naman papatay na niya yung generator para makatipid. Naka-charge na kami lahat, pero yun nga lang, syempre hindi mo magamit yung internet sa bahay. Sira kasi yung linyang ng kuryente papunta sa bahay namin, pero pinaprocess naman na, nakabili na kami ng pole, lalagay na lang siya. Hindi pala sagot ng ano yun, ng kumpanya ng kuryente rito, kami ang magpo-provide. So nakabili na kami, pati yung bagong metro, ilalagay na lang. Sana may kabit agad next week bago kami pumunta ng Pennsylvania. Manonood siya ng race sa Pennsylvania, sa Pocono. Magka-camping kami doon ng mga 2 gabi ata, 2 gabi. So yun nga guys, siguro ma-upload ko to kapag mga next week pa. Pagka na ano na yung ano ko, kuryente namin, ibalik na. Siyensya na po kayo. May kalsada rito kaya maingay din yung sasakyan. Papalingon-lingon ako. Sige guys, see you later guys. Check ko muna siya kung kamusta na ba yung kanyang pamimingwit dun. Bye bye. Yan ang walang nahuli.
Yeah, tangles.
You can eat, you didn't catch fish.
Okay.
Where's your worm?
You can eat the worms
Oh no, I'm not.
to survive. Stick a knot here. Let's get tangled.
Fix it later. You want me to carry some of the pole? The gold one is mine, but I don't have the license. I should get also.
You don't need a license.
Huh?
You don't need a license.
No?
You're not even fishing.
I want to.
Let's get tangled here.
Sabi niya, gutom na daw siya. Kaya ayaw na manghuli. Where is the worm? I'm gonna carry that thing. Yung worm na lang daw kainin. You grill the worm. Nagugutom na raw siya. Kaya ayaw na manghuli. Wala rin to eh. Hindi rin pwedeng mabuhay sa bundok. Ano yun? May gumagalaw doon. Balik na tayo sa ating sasakyan. Wala naman tayong nahuli. Wala pa namang tao dito. Doon sa kabilang dahil nang huli doon, baka doon ang maraming isda. Pwede ka mag-picnic dito. May mga picnic table. Lulu. Ay, ang cute. Ang liliit nung ang pine cone. Ang dami. Kaso ang liliit. Maganda gumawa ng dekorasyon. Christmas deco. Hindi na tayo babalik dyan. Kasi ayaw niya na maming wet. Wala naman daw isda. Kanina umulan. Ayun siya. Damulag, look at that tree. That tree. Look at that tree. The baby pine cone. It's a lot. Ano kaya itong mga halaman na ito? Ang bango. First wilderness. Di ba? Walang tao rito. Oh. Baka lipat kami ng ibang lugar. Pag nakakaya na yan. Maybe we can move to a different place. What the... Oh, I thought it's a picture. It's a video. But the vermicelli noodles. Ciao. Got the shrimp powder. Our new driver. A new driver, Maddie.
Yeah.
As long you get out, she sit there.
Breathing heavy, Maddie. What are you doing?
Because she wants to get out there.
Guy fishing? Who is he?
I know,
Get
there's a,
back to your lawa. You're dripping. You.
yeah, drooling. Ew, scary.
Big doggo. Oh, the big doggo. Arr. Slow loading.
I don't know what we're doing here, waiting for that storm. Look at that. Weather is not good. One person fishing there.
There it comes.
Maddie's not behaving. Maddie, you okay? Stop doing that. Her tongue is so long. She wants to get out. You thirsty? You have water. You want water? You just drink. She wants to get out. She wants to go to the water. But it's still not good. Raining and windy.